Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a 2005 Buick Lacrosse headlight. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Remove any plastic covers or air intake clips that block access. Disconnect the battery negative terminal if replacing the full assembly. Unplug the bulb connector and twist out the bulb or remove mounting bolts for the assembly before swapping in the new part. Begin by finding the bulb access point at the back of the headlight housing and clear any debris. Gently unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight back. If the bulb is held by a socket, rotate it counterclockwise and pull it free. If clips hold it, depress them and lift the bulb out. Avoid touching glass on halogen bulbs with bare hands and set the old bulb aside for proper disposal. Carefully prepare the new bulb by keeping fingerprints off the glass. Oils shorten bulb life. Seat the bulb into the socket and rotate or secure the retaining clips so it sits flush and aligned. Reconnect the wiring harness until it clicks and then briefly reconnect the battery negative to test the beam and aim. Once confirmed, reinstall any covers, clips, or intake pieces and secure the hood. Clean up tools and enjoy improved visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.